Hey, Jonathan. What's wrong? Is it hot?
Yeah.
It'll be done in a minute. What you been doing? Huh?
I don't know.
You been working hard at school today?
Yeah.
How long's it been since you had a good old time prayer meeting?
What?
So when's you had last time you had a good old time prayer meeting? Papa had about 15 minutes today.
What in the world?
Oh, we just pray and talk
Come
to Jesus.
on.
Seriously. Papa did it. He really did. Papa really did do it. Delaney? Hi, hon. Look at her, boy. She don't like to look at this camera. That's a pretty picture, isn't it? Isn't it a pretty picture?
Yeah.
She sure don't want to look. It's about...